Greetings and salutations, my wonderful peeps. I'm your boy, Mr. Smellgood, here with Adrian as well. And we are at the perfume store located in Angels Plaza, guys, right beside Knutsford. So we will be exploring the house of Joe Milano, which is Game of Spade. Joe Milano actually sent these two products with some samples. So we will be doing some first impression. All right, it's going to be unboxing and first impression, guys. So I'm going to get the experts' opinion on these fragrances along with mine as well. So if you are interested in a content like that, keep on watching. Welcome back, my wonderful peeps. So, when you don't know, as always, like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And the first fragrance we're going to be exploring is called Win. All right, Win. So, I believe this one is an inspiration of band number 9, Greenwich Village. It's one of his favorites. So, I'm going to get him opinion on that one. Yeah. It's actually a good one, as a matter of fact. So I'm going to spray for myself as well. Wait. So. Ooh.
I did have to see it in your reaction. But this is nice, clean.
I get the back right there for me to everybody comparing a Greenwich Village. This is good. Yo, but fine. Nice, I wear this.
Nice every day.
Yeah, I would wear this one. And it could even be for the night time as well, no?
I could have wear it night time, but I would have wear this to a party. It's more like chill.
Yeah.
Chill, like to the movies, or you know, if I just go to go eat.
Ice cream or something. Yeah, this is really good. This is nice. First impression, how much did I rate it?
Out of 10. I'd give it a solid 8. I love the smell. But of course, you know, because it is inspired by something else and other things that I am familiar with, it would lose marks originality.
Yeah, it's not unique. But it's good enough. It's really good. I would give this one probably about 8 or 8.5. Nonetheless, in terms of closeness, I would say it's pretty damn close. I'm really, really liking it. It's just now to get the Greenwich Village so I can give you guys a definitive comparison. But this is good. Yeah, man, this is really good. Close enough for you?
Like,
all right.
It's good enough. So I don't have to wear out the big thing. I can just wear that when I don't necessarily want to spray out the more expensive one.
All right, so now the two fragrances, full bottle. Okay. We have here Full House, and we also have Wildcard. So which one do you want to go with first? The Full House? All right, so this is the Full House, guys. If you don't know, this one is inspired by Louis Vuitton's Imagination. So you don't know me own it, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how it looks. So let's go with the unboxing.
All right. The moment of truth, guys.
This me curious, boy, no?
The presentation is nice too. I love that.
Yeah, the presentation is really, really nice.
I mean, still. All right, so let's go.
Me have high hopes for that one. We're not gonna lie to you. Yeah, the bottle presentation, yo, it looks really, really good.
A beautiful, clean blue.
Yes, man, I like it.
All right, I'm ready. Nervous. You will go first. Come on, go first.
All right. The sprayer, the distribution, nice. Oh shit. Go on somewhere.
Oh my god.
1-to-1 ratio. Guys, I kid you not. 1-to-1. 1-to-1. Yeah, this is good. Louis Vuitton Imagination, really, really good inspiration for it. Is it the best? I won't say it's the best as yet because I need to give it a wear on my skin. But so far, this smells really good. The tea note in this one, however, I'm getting a little bit sweeter version of Imagination.
It's not as cut and clear and as clean. So if you're not into that fresh citrus forward kind of thing, but you'd prefer something that is a little bit on the sweeter side but still fresh, this is a nice option.
Yeah, man, this is really, really good. Yo, the tea note is balanced perfectly with the sweetness. I like this. This is good. So, Joe Milano, Yeah, man. Game of Spades. Full house. Yeah, this is definitely a
The
win.
full package.
Yeah, I would give this one a 10. I would give it a 10. You might not give it a 10 because it's not unique,
Yeah.
but I would give it a 10 in terms of
I give it a 9.
the 9.
Yeah, but
Perfect same way.
Once it's inspired, it's
By
an
something else,
inspiration. Yeah, I'm not give it a full 10.
Yo,
It
this
have
is- yo, this
it have
is
yeah
good.
man. This literally 1-to-1 for sure.
Yo, may I dig that one? I'm like this.
Jesus, brother. Oh. Alright, the next one is
The
Wildcard.
last one is going to be Wildcard, and this one is inspired by bond number 9's Lafayette Street. So I don't know as always, unboxing.
I've heard so much about this scent, but
Oh, the box, this presentation, the box now seems to be suede.
yeah.
Yeah, that one here is suede. Ooh.
Okay. So this is a luxury collection. Okay. Alright, and it's powerful.
And it's full black.
Alright.
So, on the don't know,
Just
let's not
spiritual
waste the
there,
time.
man.
Alright, good.
I'll make sure I'm right. Yeah, the pressure is atomizer. I love that.
Yo, so far me I get the scent already. So far me I get the scent already.
I don't know what the Lafayette Street smells like, but if it's anything like this, I can guarantee you this is a win.
Lafayette Street is actually one that I really, really want in my collection. So far, no, me I reconsider if I need to get it. Pretty close.
I still prefer the full house though.
Yeah, man, full house gonna lead, but this one now is
This
more
is
for like
nighttime.
nighttime wear.
I'm kind of
You can wear this go party too as well. This, it give you that feel, but it depends on what kind of party you go.
Yeah, it's a birthday party.
Yeah, this,
If I have to turn up a scheme, you know,
different something,
different
not this.
something. Not this.
But yo, this is really good. Wildcard. Ooh, yo, and as it dries, it
Go on
a
again.
change. One more.
Yeah, one more.
The pressurized atomizer is
I like
just.
that. This is a nice, clean, dark scent. I like
This is really good. And the bottle, guys,
that.
with the gold cap, man, I lie, looks really, really
And this
good.
would make a good gift. So like,
Yes.
your friend them have a birthday or come up or
Yes,
whatever,
man, I
get
can
them
give
this.
them this. This is
Yeah,
really
The
good.
presentation is good. The bottle is pretty. Scent is actually good too.
That one I can get the 9 for me still. That one I may drop at the 9.
I'm never think. I'm never play the fifth. I don't know yet because I never smell the fire. You understand?
But in terms of scent, what I get?
In terms of scent, it's pretty decent. So like if you're a night person, you need something where gets the job done, then this. But I'm gonna definitely get this. This would have ranked 3, the third one for me. So this, then win, and then I'd give this a
So this would, all right, in terms of my ranking, it would be the full house, followed by the, well, same for you, same for me as well. So full house, win, and then this one, which is the
I
wild
give
card.
about a 7.8.
Yeah, this is
You're not
good.
far off, but me can put it third and then give the both of them. You understand?
What I can say as well, guys, is that this one, to me, there is something about the scent that not everyone might like it. So far. But if you're into fragrances, this one will definitely be a hit for you as well.
If
This
you're
is
into
good.
the art of perfume,
Yes.
then you will like this. But if you're just looking for mass appeal and stuff, then Full House would be your go-to.
Full house,
and
bro.
win.
Full house. Full house. Full house for the win.
Yeah, full package.
So there you have it, our first impression. Thank you so much, Asian, as always.
man,
Peeps,
no problem.
if you not try the host, you guys should go out and try the host and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. All right. Again, like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Joe Milano, 2 thumbs up.